Hello, a big update is here, and Higgsfield just released Kling 2.6 audio, and it solves the one big thing holding AI videos back: the empty factor. Yes, we were all tired of videos we create that look good, sound good, but the sound is nothing. This update changes that by generating everything at once. You don't just get the video, you get the movement, the ambient sound, and the voice syncing. So that video feels finally complete, all in one single pass to bring that video to life instantly. Let's check it out.
Yes, Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio is one of the fastest growing Gen AI, and the mission here is to create a friendly platform for users. And Kling 2.6 audio is a breakthrough update that updates real-time expressive voice generation in the Kling ecosystem. Kling 2.6 audio brings expressive voice, sound, motion all in one pass and flow. The model can generate a scene, its atmosphere, and voice that stays aligned with on-screen action, as you can see it right here. This is the Kling 2.6 here, right here. So the voice that Kling 2.6 audio generates stays aligned on the screen action in a single coherent output. Kling 2.6 audio is designed for modern content, workflow, shorts, explainers, art, VFX tests, and concept piece, where silence used to be a problem before. Now, sound, timing, and performance are generated together with video. So, Kling 2.6 audio is a game changer in the AI industry. So now let's try and generate some Kling 2.6 audio. We are using Higgsfield as a platform. So let's put our prompt here. I already have my prompt copied, a visual and ultra realistic ASMR video. I want to use an ASMR video to test the sound. So let's see. Okay, my prompts are okay. Let's go down a bit. Okay, our audio, make sure our audio is on. And if you want to enhance it, you can click enhance. It is going to enhance this prompt perfectly. So I'll enhance it also. Let me on my enhance prompt. So model Kling 2.6 aspect ratio, you can choose any aspect ratio you want, 9:61, but I'm choosing 16:9. Duration 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Let me leave it 5 seconds. Let me see. Unlimited on. Okay, generate unlimited. No, let me generate. Let's try. Let's see the sound. We just want to see the sound of the new Kling 2.6 audio. Let's see how the sound really is.
Now CREX Snap Direct. CREX Snap Direct.
Hear the sound. You can hear how crispy the sound is.
CREX Snap Direct.
Hear the sound, how crispy the sound is.
CREX Snap Direct. CREX Snap Direct. CREX Snap Direct.
Okay, you can see, you can hear the sound. And now let's try another prompt. This is another prompt I'm putting right now. Is a popular art prompt using the same reference, aspect ratio, and rest. Let's generate it. Let's hear the sound. See how crispy the sound is? Once again. Okay, now let's try the last prompt. Now let's see how this one is. So this is my prompt. I've placed it for all settings remain. So let's generate right now, and let's see how the sound the output of the sound will be.
Listen to the crisp, refreshing slice. Listen to the crisp, refreshing slice. Listen to the crisp, refreshing
Perfect.
slice.
You can hear the crisp, refreshing sound.
Listen to the crisp,
Kling
refreshing
2.6.
slice.
The output is
Listen to the crisp.
Okay, now let's Also, Higgsfield is offering an unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for everyone who subscribed to the Ultimate Plus plan by December 12th. Also, you can briefly reference the comparison graphic below. In this image here, it demonstrates that Higgsfield currently has the lowest price in the market in this AI industry.
Again, for those of you into VFX, this is a massive workflow upgrade. You can now produce concept shots that already have auto-generated ambience and placeholder vocals. Sure, you might replace the audio later for the final cut, but having that sound in the initial version gives you an immediate sense of an emotional flow and timing before you commit to the fine-tuning. Now, for agencies and content teams working against tight deadline, this speed here is a game changer totally. You are building full scenes with built-in sound in minutes, not hours. And for short-form content, having that auto-generated voiceover ready will go save a ton of production time. Now, take note, only use this official website higgsfield.ai. There are no mobile app right now. So if you see any app using the Higgsfield name, is not genuine, it's fake. So stick to the desktop site only to stay safe. Also, regarding the cost, if you need to the price section, you see options ranging from $9 to $12 to $24 a month for the ultimate plan. The best part, the ultimate plan offers unlimited video generation for both Kling 1.0 and the new 2.6 model. It's honestly a great deal for unlimited access. Kling 2.6 is seriously impressive, so hit the link in the description below to give it a shot, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.